Hi children, are you keeping well? Yes. Did you read the story? The North Wind? Yes. Did you learn the new words? Yes. So, today we are going to start our exercise. So, hold your pencil and be ready. Yes? Are you ready?
And take the page number 28, exercise A. Listen to your teacher read out section 1. She or he will read it out twice. After you listen to her or him the second time, match the words in the columns. Okay, so you have to read the section 1. Hope you have read the story. Am I right? Yes. So it is easy to find out the match words. Okay. Angry. Who was angry? Supper, boy, north, tablecloth, night. Who was angry? Yes, the boy was angry. Yes or no? So match this one. Then ashamed. Who was ashamed? The north wind was ashamed. Yes or no? Because he had taken the floor only that the boy had. So he was ashamed. Then cook. What will cook? Yes, supper. The mother have to cook the supper. Yes or no? So the boy asking, what? My mother will prepare for our supper. Then dark. When it is dark, it becomes night. Isn't it? Yes. When the boy followed the north wind and when he returned back, the time was night, dark. Isn't it? Then magical. What did he get? The first gift? Yes, tablecloth. So magical tablecloth. Is it clear? Did you understand? Yes. Now look at the section question B. Read the section 2 with your friend and discuss what is a ram. What do you think happened to the ram? In the section 2, you have read already now? Yes. So what is ram? Yes, it is a male sheep. Yes or no? What was the specialty of that ram? Yes, when we will rub on that, what will happen? The ram will give a gold coin from his mouth, isn't it? Yes. So what do you think happened to ram? What happened to the ram? Yes, the innkeeper had stolen the ram, isn't it? Yes. This is only to discuss, so no need to write the answer in your copy. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Now look at the exercise C. Listen to your teacher, read out section 3. Work in pairs and tick the correct words. You have to tick the correct words. You know the section 3 also, yes or no? Am I right? Yes. The boy dashed the north wind, blamed or praised. What did the boy do when the north wind take away his floor? Yes, he blamed. It was a dash stick. What kind of stick was that? Magical stick or ordinary stick? Yes, it was a magic stick. The boy dashed the innkeeper had stolen his gifts. The boy dashed that the innkeeper had stolen his gift. What, understood or misunderstood? Yes, the boy understood. How did he understand? With the help of magical stick. isn't it? Yes. Next one, the innkeeper had kept the dash in the kitchen. What did the innkeeper keep in the kitchen? Ram or tablecloth? Yes, tablecloth, because tablecloth will produce the food items. So he kept that in the kitchen. Next one, the stick dashed the boy's command. The stick dashed the boy's command. When the boy gave a command, stop, stop. Yes or no? Stop stick, stop now. Then what did the stick do? Obeyed or disobeyed? Yes, obeyed. Okay, is it clear? Yes. Okay, now look at the exercise D, page number 29. Fill in the flowchart to show what the boy had and what happened next. Okay, at first the boy had a floor. Yes or no? What happened to the floor? Yes, the north wind blew the bag away. So write here, the north wind, N-O-R-T-H-E, north wind blew the bag away. Okay. Next, after that, what did the north wind give to boy? Yes, table cloth. So write here, table cloth. Okay, then what happened to the tablecloth? The innkeeper stole it. Who had taken it? The innkeeper. Innkeeper stole it. Okay. Then after that, what did the north wind give to the boy? Yes, a ram. Then what happened to that? Yes, the innkeeper hid it in the barn. Yes or no? Yes. Then afterwards, what did the north wind give to boy? Yes, stick. Then the stick beat the innkeeper. Yes or no? Yes. It beat the innkeeper. Okay, did you understand? At first boy had a floor, then who had taken it? The north wind blew the bag away. Then north wind gave a tablecloth, that who had taken? The innkeeper stole it. Then north wind gave a ram. Then who had taken it? Yes, the innkeeper hid it in the barn. Then at last north wind gave a stick, and what happened? It beat the innkeeper. Okay. Now look at the exercise E, true or false. The north wind followed the boy to his house. The north wind followed the boy, or the boy followed the north wind? Yes, the boy followed the north wind, not the north wind did not follow. Isn't it? So it is false. Write here, false. Okay. Then the north wind gave the boy a plate and a spoon. What did the north wind give? Plate and spoon? No. A tablecloth at first, then ram, then a stick, isn't it? So it is false. Write here false. Next one. The tablecloth was kept hidden in the kitchen. Is it right? Yes. The innkeeper hid and kept the tablecloth in his kitchen. Yes or no? So write here true. Next one. The innkeeper had hidden the ram in the kitchen. The innkeeper had hidden the ram in the kitchen. No, ram was in the barn, isn't it? Yes, so it is false. Write here F-A-L-S-E, false. Next one. The innkeeper was a thief. Was the innkeeper thief? Yes. So write here true. The boy did not get back the north wind's gift. The boy did not get back? Yes, he got back his 3 gifts. Yes or no? At last he got all the gifts. Then he went to his home. So it is false. Okay. Okay children, now look at the exercise F. Answer these questions. Why did the boy follow the north wind? Why did the boy follow the north wind? क्या के लिए नॉर्थ विंड के पीछे चले गए? The boy followed the north wind because it blew away his bag of flour. Because the north wind had blew away his bag of flour, isn't it? Yes. So why did the boy follow the north wind? The boy followed the north wind because it blew away his bag of flour. Okay. Next one. Why did the north wind help the boy? Afterwards, he felt ashamed, and in order to solve that, he gave help. So at first, he gave tablecloth, then ram, afterwards stick, isn't it? Yes. Why? Because the north wind helped the boy because he felt ashamed. Yes or no? He was feeling shame. Okay. Now, third question. What food did the boy order as he spread out the tablecloth? At first, he got the tablecloth as a gift. Isn't it? Yes. Afterwards, when he reached in the inn, what food item he ordered at first? Yes, he ordered beans, bread and meat. Okay. Then next one. How was the innkeeper punished? Because of his action, he had taken his ram, tablecloth, yes or no? So that he got a punishment. How he got the punishment? He was being beaten by the stick. Yes or no? Until he told the boy where each thing that he had stolen could be found. Till he find out the ram and the tablecloth. Who was beating? Yes, the stick was beating the innkeeper. Yes or no? Yes. After he got it back, the boy came and told us, stop stick, stop now. Then only the stick stopped the beating. Okay, look at the exercise G. Which of these words best describe the 3 characters in the story? There are 3 characters: north wind, boy, innkeeper. and describing words are given: innocent, sly, naughty, kind, brave, cunning, determined, mean, helpful. Okay. At first, north wind. How was the north wind? Yes, he was naughty. Then boy. How is boy? Yes, innocent. The next one, sly. Who is sly? Yes, innkeeper was sly. Then kind. Who is kind? Yes, north wind was kind to the boy. Yes or no? Then who is brave? Yes, boy is so brave. That's why he followed till his house. Yes or no? Then cunning. Who is cunning? Yes, innkeeper was cunning. Then determined. Who is determined? Yes, boy is determined. Then who is mean? Yes, the innkeeper was mean, a hateful person. So now,
Okay children, is it clear to you? All the exercises and question answers. Is it clear to you? Did you understand? Yes. So learn the exercises and question answers. Question answer write in your copy and complete the exercise in your book. Okay? Thank you.